Join me as I put the new Mac Mini to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype. Hi there, this is Tech Grandma. Today I'm going to be introducing you to the new Mac Mini. I normally am not a Mac person. I am strictly Windows for the computer and Android for the phone. But this new Mac Mini caught my attention because of the upgraded processor in it now. It comes with 16 gigabytes of memory standard. It's smaller, only 5-inch square instead of the previous 7.75 inch. And it has the Apple Silicon M4 processor, which was released in May of this year. It's designed with what they're calling thermal architecture, which allows for the heat dispersion from the bottom of the device. Apple Intelligence is available with a free upgrade to the Sequoia operating system. So far only in US English though. It now comes with 2 USB-C ports on the front, 3 Thunderbolt version 4 ports, an HDMI port, a gigabit Ethernet port, and a power port on the back. And the Ethernet is optional, has an optional version of 10 gigabits. Apple is calling it carbon neutral. It uses 85% less aluminum than previously, and 50% of the content is made from recycled materials. It's manufactured using entirely renewable energy, and the neural engines also make the processor more energy efficient. One major difference between the Apple processors and the standard processors is that neural engine. A neural engine is specified cores of the M4 processor that speed up machine learning tasks such as image processing, voice recognition, and video analysis. This neural engine makes speech-to-text processing faster. It's more capable of video editing with the new version of Final Cut Pro. And using the neural engine, Siri can answer questions about features on the Mac and can find and access specific information in your files. It also allows for 3 displays using 2 USB-C ports and an HDMI port. The M4 Pro features a higher performance M4 processor, 24 gigabytes of memory. It has the same ports except that the Thunderbolt ports on the back are version 5 instead of version 4, which allows for transfer speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second. They're both going to be available on November 8th, but you can pre-order them now. They're priced between $599 and $999 depending on the memory and storage options you choose. The M4 Pro is $1,399 with 24 gigabytes of memory and a 512 gigabyte SSD storage. If you like this video, check out my other video about the new iPhone and the newest version of the iOS. Bye for now.